No need to go out. We believe a very easy and effective remedy for your skin. Mask 1. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour and 1 pinch of turmeric. Add raw milk and mix it well. It will become a thick paste. Apply it on your face and then rinse off. Mask 2. To make a haldi facial at home, follow these steps. In a mixing bowl, combine turmeric powder and chickpea flour. Gradually add raw milk or rose water to the mixture to form a paste-like consistency. You can adjust the quantity of the liquid as needed. Mix all the ingredients well until you have a smooth paste. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply the haldi facial paste evenly on your face. Leave the paste on for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it dries. Once the paste is dry, dampen your fingers with water and gently massage your face in circular motions to exfoliate the skin. Rinse off the paste with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Mask 3. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon turmeric, half lemon and 1 tablespoon honey, 2 to 3 tablespoon curd into it. Mix it well, apply it to your face. Let it dry, then rinse off. You will get glowing and beautiful skin. Mask 4. Take 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add 1/2 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Mix it very well. Add some drops of lemon in the mixture. Apply it on your face and let it dry for 10 minutes. Then rinse off. Mask 5. Take 1 tablespoon sandal powder, 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon milk, Macia Dale soaked and then cruised, orange peel powder, and 2 tablespoon gram flour. Mix all ingredients very well. Cover your face with this effective upton. If you not heard about turmeric face mask and its benefits for the skin, try it at home. You will get amazing results.